Hello guys, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will tell you how you can start your own YouTube channel and grow your channel, gain subscribers, and grow your channel and make money online. So stay tuned. In this video I will tell you what things you will need to start a YouTube channel. The number one thing you need is a smartphone, your own smartphone. The camera in the smartphone is typically nowadays very good, so it will be okay to start using your microphone for the videos. The second thing you will need is a tripod or gorilla tripod, or it is nowadays it is available very cheap rates, so you can start using your iPhone with a gorilla and start making your videos. The third thing you need, in the most important thing you need for making videos, is a mic. I'm using Boya M1 mic. It looks like this. Look, it has a large number of. It has a long wire, and this is the mic I'm using. So you can buy this on Amazon or Boya BY-M1. This is the mic. You can also use your microphone earphones mic. It is also very cheap if you cannot afford a mic. So these were the three things you need to start a YouTube channel. So stay tuned for more videos. I will tell you in next videos how you can start making your videos online. And सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।